Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up credit cards in QuickBooks Online. This process helps you track expenses automatically, avoid missing tax deductions, and reconcile your accounts easily. We'll cover adding the account, connecting bank feeds, and categorizing transactions. Getting your credit card accounts properly integrated is one of the first steps to accurate bookkeeping and a clear financial picture for your business. First, let's add your credit card account. From your QuickBooks Online dashboard, head to the left-hand menu and click on Accounting, then Chart of Accounts. Here, you'll select the New button to create a new account. Choose Credit Card as the account type and give it a clear name, perhaps including the last 4 digits for easy identification. You can also enter an opening balance if the card is already in use.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. It's a small thing that makes a big difference. You can find the link for that, along with other great deals, in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, let's connect your credit card to bank feeds for automatic transaction imports. Go to the banking section from the left menu and click Link Account. Search for your specific credit card provider. You'll then be prompted to enter your online banking username and password. Follow any security prompts from your bank, like a text message code, to securely authorize the connection. QuickBooks will then begin downloading your transactions. Once your credit card is connected, transactions will appear in the For Review tab under Banking. It's crucial to regularly review these and assign them to the appropriate expense categories. For example, a purchase of office supplies should be categorized as office supplies. QuickBooks also allows you to set up rules to automatically categorize recurring transactions, saving you significant time and improving accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.